Stop hiccups instantly by swallowing a teaspoon of sugar. It sounds bizarre, but those tiny sugar granules can actually stimulate your vagus nerve, sending a quick shock to your system and resetting your diaphragm. Imagine your body's natural hiccup switch just being flipped off with something as simple as sugar. This little trick works because the vagus nerve plays a huge role in controlling involuntary actions like breathing and hiccuping. When you swallow those granules, it's like a mini wake-up call for your nervous system, snapping it back to normal function. So, next time you're caught in a hiccup loop, ditch the old tricks and grab a spoonful of sugar for a sweet solution that's backed by science. It's not just a catchy solution but an effective one that can save you from those awkward hiccup moments in seconds.